Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I want to tell you what my 27th item is. Right in front of you, to the left, right there, is actually a signal switch extended adapter. Originally, the signal switch right here, this is where it ends. As you can see, that's pretty far in to be able to reach with your hand on the steering wheel like this, and to be able to get to it, you would literally have to go past your steering wheel to try to grab it to turn your signal switch on. But with this extended adapter, it goes all the way out to here. As you can see, my hand is still on the steering wheel and I could easily switch the signal left, right, very easy. All right guys, that's it. 27th item, signal switch extended adapter cover. All right, thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.